y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Yeada here for those of you that are new. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're already here. Join the Glamour Squad. Today's video, y'all, we are headed out. It's kind of gloomy outside, but it says like 60 something degrees. But we got things to do, so we're not gonna be sitting around the house today. I have to go to Discovery this morning to go and grab new pieces for some upcoming campaigns that they're doing. And what else? I need to go to Sephora today so I can go and get some more of that vitamin C serum that I use. And plus they got a big sale going on right now, so I need to take advantage. What else do I need to do today? Probably get some food while we out. Who knows? Who knows what we get into today? But I'm taking y'all along for the ride, and we're about to go get my mom right now. It is 9:30. I told her we was leaving at 9:30, so I have to go and get her. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in a bit. Y'all, so we finally got back to Jumbo Crab. Hi. I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You're gonna waste your time. Waste your time. Tell me honestly. Open your eyes and see. You're gonna waste your time. Waste your time. So we have made it back home, as y'all can see, and y'all, oh, I can't even, oh. That's ridiculous. We did a little damage in Discovery today, and I would really show y'all what I got, but I don't know if I can fit everything, because one thing about Discovery, they ain't got no fitting room. So if you have to try stuff on, you gotta wait till you get home, try it on, and then if it don't fit, take it back. So that's what we're about to get ready to do. I would show y'all, but you gotta wait. You gotta follow me on TikTok, Yeada_B, so you can see the not necessarily like a clothing haul, but showing pieces from that I pick out and then showing how I style them. So yes, follow me on TikTok, and then follow me on Instagram, glamour_chick, so y'all can see photos. Everything has to get approved first, so once it get approved, that's when you'll see them. But we did stop at Sephora, okay? And Sephora has they have their event going on to where they have the Sephora collection stuff on sale. And I think it's until November 7th. So, yes. But this is what I got. Okay, we have the vitamin C and E serum. Okay, this is what it looks like. But I use this on my face. Hopefully it focuses. There we go. Yes, so I use this on my face. And I really like it. I've used it for, shoot, a couple years now. But I really like that. And then I also picked up this foot mask. Okay, I've used this before as well, and I do like it. So I'm probably gonna do like a little foot massage thing. I got that little foot tub to where you can let your feet soak. So I'm probably gonna do that tonight. So yeah, I'm like, this is perfect. But y'all, so we went to Jumbo Crab, because I didn't check in after we left, but we just got home from the restaurant. So we went to Jumbo Crab in Tinley Park, and y'all, first off, I had a taste of some crab legs for a minute now. And we were so close. I'm like, I looked at my mom like, you trying to go get some crab legs? And we gave each other that look like, yes. So that's where we ate at. And the food was so good. I smashed every single piece of food that was in that crab boil. Okay, if you're looking for a good crab boil in a bag, like with the good sauce, good seasoning, that's the place to go to. Like, we've tried other ones and it just don't hit the same, but that one is good and it's consistent every single time that we get it. So if you in Tinley Park, Illinois area, then check it out. Tinley Park, Orland Park, they all close, but go, because it's good. But anyways, y'all, so I'm about to, I can't even talk. I'm about to try on these clothes. See what I can fit, see what gotta go back, and probably clean up around the house a little bit. So I will check in with you guys later on. So it is later in the day, like way later, 7:25 later, and we about to cook. Okay, I'm about to make a stir fry, and I'm gonna let y'all see me cook this recipe because it's good and it's easy and it's quick and it's something that I eat as a pescatarian. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. I already had shrimp today, but we gonna throw a few pieces in there. So I'm just gonna do broccoli, carrot, zucchini, and shrimp. And then I have this orange sauce. Let me show y'all, because I don't know if I showed y'all this before, but I have this orange sauce from Aldi, and it kind of reminds you of like orange chicken, but it's actually really good. So I'm gonna be using that. So yeah, let's get to cooking. So I'm using my big wok skillet. I got this from IKEA, by the way. We're doing that. Zucchini, carrots, broccoli. And some shrimp. So while my shrimp is thawing out, I'm gonna go ahead and cut everything. Well, the broccoli is already cut. I just gotta cut this half of zucchini that I have and cut a few pieces of carrots. So, yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my shrimp in the bowls of water. And again, I'm only gonna put a few pieces, so maybe like 6. Put the carrots, zucchini, and broccoli in the same bowl. That way I can go ahead and use my seasonings, which I'm going to be using pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, pepper, and onion powder. Just going to mix it all up. Alright y'all, so dinner is now served. I'm about to smash and I'm about to wrap up this vlog here. Hopefully y'all have enjoyed hanging out with me today. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the Glamo Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B. Let me know down in the comment section if you try out this meal. This is something that I eat as a pescatarian, and you don't have to be a pescatarian to eat this. You can add whatever protein you want. Chicken, steak, whatever y'all eat, you can add it. Get your favorite veggies, get you a sauce, mix it together, and boom, you got this meal. Super easy, super quick, and it's good, okay? It's really, really good. You just gotta make sure you cook your veggies all the way so you ain't like crunching on them. But yeah, I'm just about to eat, edit this vlog, and call it a night. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.
You're worth the chase, yeah.